Welcome back, everybody. She's officially home. I'd like to introduce myself. I am Jeff. Eventually, you'll see other family members and we'll introduce them, but for right now, I'm all alone in the garage, at least for this afternoon. I thought I'd take a few minutes and bring you guys up to speed since, as you probably noticed, the wheels are missing, the door's missing, and we've actually started on the project. We are 6 to 8 months from when we actually got this thing home. So this is going to be a video that rambles on a little bit. Please bear with me so you guys can understand what we've come across, what we've had to deal with. This way you guys are all brought up to speed and we can get going on this project with more video in-depth stuff. Long story short, we got it home. We got it off of the flat deck bed. And we noticed when we got off the flat deck bed, even though my wife Steph at that time kept the wheel straight, we noticed it was trying to walk like a dog, not straight, kind of sidestepping, if you know what I mean. So the back end of the car was about 1.5 feet to the right or to the passenger side, and the nose was straight for every one length of car roughly. We didn't clue in with that because we thought it's got a flat tire, not a big deal, whatever. If you did watch the original vlog, you would have noticed that the fuel tank has a hole in it, and that's a problem. We ended up ripping off the fuel tank, and all there is just 4 bolts and a metal bar. You undo 2 gear clamps, and it comes off of the fuel sender. Quite simple. Dropped it out and started our hunt for a fuel tank. In our hunt for the fuel tank, we came across with nothing. No reproductions, no used parts on the fuel tank, no nothing. After doing a lot of research and a lot of looking around, we talked to a few radiator places that rebuild rads for farm equipment in our area. Luckily enough, I was able to get one of them to take a look at it and agree to work on it in the off months. So that's what we did. So I don't know if you guys can see very well, but they just welded it for me, punched it all back out, and put a very nice big patch in it. The other thing that they did is inside of here they put a plasticky coating to stop it from rusting out, to save the fuel tank from any more problems. So now we have a fuel tank for the car. That fuel tank was a big saving grace at that point in time once I figured out it was repairable. And the reason why is anything else on this car I found out through a very good parts person at a local place could find parts for this thing. I got to talk with a few of the boys and they said, yeah, you bring me a shock for an example, and we were able to take some measurements off it and find you an updated shock. So we have a fuel tank now. So we are good. It should hold fuel. Can't see there being any problems with it. The fuel sender out of the tank was good. He was able to fix that also, which gave us some hope in getting this thing back up and running, because that was a big headache in its disguise. Now remember earlier I talked about the car dog walking off of the back of the trailer. When we dropped the fuel tank, we seen a bent bar. And I'm going to post some pictures up now to basically show you guys. And where it goes also. We had to find a solution for that because at this point in time I could not find any existing parts, period, for this car. And I found that out. come to a conclusion after sitting back and thinking about it. I was watching another YouTube channel. He's someone that goes and rescues people out of the deserts. He dune bugs, as I call it, climbs up big rock formation, coulee draws, whatever. Enjoys it. He was building his unit, or his big tow truck, I don't know what you call them. And he was talking about these bars that he uses. And I went, that'll work out. And he said he got it from Summit Racing. So what did we do? We jumped on the World Wide Web, found it, found one that would work, found that one would measure out, ordered it, took a month, it is here. We're not going to install that quite yet because right now I'm currently working on painting the leaf springs and painting the undercarriage as we kind of go and working our way all the way up to the front of the car. We're now basically at the fall time of last year for a timeline now, and it's getting cold. I didn't bother to bring any more paint in, so I decided to work on another part of the car. And currently right now I am working on welding in the cab here and on the floor, and I will show you guys that. This is the floor that I've started to weld over winter when it was warm enough to work in this garage. This garage is a cinder brick garage, so it does get cold, so you have to pick and choose your days you work on and how you work on stuff. So that is what I've been up to. Basically, now you guys are all caught up with everything that I know about this thing and all that fun stuff. This is going to take time. This is going to be a channel where you're probably going to see videos sporadically. I'm being honest. This is my wife's and my retirement car. So by the time I retire in 15 to 20 years, I want to see this thing up and running on the road. If we get to the point where we're able to finish this sooner, great. We get to take it for a drive sooner. But for right now, this is something that I enjoy to work on as of today. I hope you guys all stick around, comment, be patient with me. I'm 100% new to this YouTubing stuff or vlogging or documenting. I don't know what you call me. So bear with me. So for now, thank you so much for your time. Have a great rest of your day, and let's take her for a cruise.